Welcome to Milan Online Tutorial. Now let us look at this question in differentiation, and it says that given that y equals 3x squared plus 1 all over x squared, we are told to find the y dx. Okay, the y dx just simply means now the ratio between a small fraction of y to the small fraction of x. Now there's a common rule or a general formula for that. Now if you have that y now equals ax raised to the power of n. Okay, now if you have to find a small, the ratio between y, that is dy over dx. So here we have that dy over dx, which means a small ratio between y and x. So what we need to do here is this exponent multiplies this a here, or yeah. So here we have a and a, okay, then x raised to the power of n minus 1. Now this is just the general formula. So we'll be using this formula, we'll be applying it here, okay, in the above function. So here we have y then equals 3x raised to the power of 2 then plus 1 all over x raised to the power of what? 2. Now first of all, to make this our working process easier, now let us convert this fraction to index. So here we have that y then equals 3x raised to the power of 2 then plus x raised to the power of negative 2. Okay, y, if you have 1 all over x, changing this fraction into index is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of minus 1. So but that in being said, this is 1. Okay, so in any case, if this is n, so any number, this also becomes what? N. Okay, so that is that. Now from here now we can now differentiate. So here we can now say now dy all over dx. Now all what this implies is it's only affecting the x variable. Okay, now looking at this is just the same thing as this, where our 3 is our a and our 2 is our what? N. Now looking at this here, now our 3 here, which is our a, let's move it back here, then our 2, which is our n, 2, then you have x, then 2, which is our n, we have 2 minus 1, then plus, now the next one here, now you might not be seeing any a here, but that means here our a in this case is 1. Okay, so now let us move further. Now this n, multiply this, so minus 2 multiplied by the 1 here, you have just negative 2. Okay, then x, the negative 2 in the case of n minus 1. Okay, so here you have that dy all over dx then equals, now 3 times 2 here will give us 6, then x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, that will be 1, so that's need to write 1. Now in this case now plus times minus here will give us minus, then 2, then x raised to the power of what? Negative 2 minus 1, that would give us minus 3 or negative 3 as the case may be. So now this is the final answer. However, we can still convert these indices to fraction, so which leaves us to dy all over dx then equals 6x minus 2 then times 1 all over x raised to the power of what? 3, which leaves us with a better presentation, x6x minus 2 all over x raised to the power of what? 3. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.